Chandragantha means the moon. Beauty of a million moon is present in our own consciousness. And that consciousness which holds the beauty, which exhibits beauty, which exuberates the beauty, that consciousness is Chandragantha. When a bell is rung, what happens? Our consciousness is filled just with the sound. All other thought constraints just fall off. You get into a blissful state. That is why bell is part of many cultures in the world. Whenever something clicks, also you say, oh, it rings a bell. That means it uplifts your consciousness to wisdom. So Chandragantha, the light and sound of the consciousness which uplifts you, which makes you experience beauty and vastness, is called Chandragantha, and that Mother Divine is the deity of the third day of Navratri. So let us meditate today with our eyes open. But you have to fix your gaze on something in front of you, either on the floor at 30 degrees or in any object. But don't see what is there. Take your attention backward. Your eyes are open, but it's not seeing anything. You're taking your attention to the back of your head. When your attention is back, you're not seeing anything. Your consciousness is already expanded or altered. With eyes open, become aware of the space all around you. खुले नैन से आसपास चारों ओर जो कुछ भी है उसके प्रति सजग हो जाएं। उस क्षण को याद करें जब आप सिर्फ एक नाद में विलीन हो गए। एक घंटी बजती रही या कोई साज की आवाज में आप रहे और ना भी रहे, ऐसा अनुभूति आपको अवश्य हुआ है। जब आप एक शिशु थे, कोई घंटी बजाता तो आप एकदम स्तब्ध होते थे। उस स्थिति को याद करें। और आप अति सुंदर हो, शरीर से भले ना हो, मगर आपकी चेतना में अति सुंदरता छिपी हुई है। उसका अनुभव आपने किया भी। यह धारणा करें कि आपकी अपनी आत्म चेतना, आपकी अपनी चेतना अति सुंदर है। उस सुंदरता का अनुभूति को अपने भीतर क्षण भर के लिए जगाए। Just invoke the beauty inside of you. Your consciousness is beauty. You have come into this planet carrying that beauty with you. Every baby anywhere in the world looks very beautiful because it comes with the beauty. It's the nature of consciousness, of life. Recollect or invoke the sense of beauty within you, in your own consciousness. You are beauty, irrespective of the body, the thoughts, and all the circumstances. Your consciousness holds the beauty. The beauty is inherent inside your consciousness. आप सुंदरता के गढ़ हो, आपके भीतर सौंदर्य है। स्मरण मात्र करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है। सिर्फ मानना है कि आप सुंदर हो, अति सुंदर हो। Become aware of those moments when you have heard the music and you just dissolve into it without much effort. How a sound, not the thoughts, but the sound gave you a sense of expansion. And so does the beauty. Become aware of your surroundings, keeping your eyes open and not looking at anything. Relax and recollect the sense of beauty within you. Remember the experience of beauty. Now, if you feel like closing your eyes, you may do so. Advanced meditators, people who have been meditating long time, you can keep your eyes open. But the beginners may feel like closing your eyes, and you may do so. The entire universe is filled with beauty. You are soaked in beauty. Repose in the beauty. यह सारा संसार सौंदर्य और शीतलता से भरपूर है। आपकी चेतना भी सुंदर और शीतल है। यह जानकर विश्राम करें। It's the beauty and sound, the two things which arrest the mind, takes us from the limited ego mind complex to the unbounded consciousness. Chandragantha. विचार वाली मन को अनंत से मिलाती है शब्द, नाद, और सुंदर था। विश्राम करें। माँ चंद्रघंटा की अनुभूति और आशीर्वाद मिला हुआ है आपको। The blessings of Mother is on you right this moment. With this idea repose, knowing this, the Mother's blessings are with you. Just repose, relax. Just beauty, you are beauty, and repose. सिर्फ सुंदर था, उस पे विश्राम करें। कण कण में सौंदर्य है, विश्राम करें। उस सौंदर्य को अनुभव करें। सौंदर्य को सिर्फ जाने। विश्राम। शांति शांति शांति। जो आंखें बंद रखे हैं वो धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते हो। और जिनका आंख खुली है और दूसरी स्थिति में है वो अभी वापस आइए, व्यक्त जगत को स्मरण करें। तो आज ये बात समझ गए कि आप अति सुंदर हो। अति सुंदर क्या शरीर नहीं है, वस्तु नहीं, वो भी तो है, मगर अति सुंदर क्या हमारी चेतना। The most beautiful thing in you is your own self, your consciousness. Chandragantha, Chandragantha.